know, in the contracting world, when you start thinking about steel tools, this little quickie saw here, that's the first thing that comes to mind for most contractors. You can cut rebar, you can cut concrete, you can cut darn near anything you want to cut with this thing. The same quality that goes into their chainsaws, their weed eaters, and any other tool they make. It all starts with this tool here, because this is a workhorse. All right, the question always comes in, why the water when you're using a quickie saw like that? It keeps the blade lubricated and cooled so you get a lot more life out of those blades. Otherwise, you'll burn through blades rapidly. And they cost quite a bit of money, so it's not something you want to just dispose of on a regular basis. You saw how easy that was. He comes in, he gets the forks underneath and starts tipping the concrete up. Obviously, you can come in with a jackhammer and take it out, but since this is getting all redone with an addition on here, we don't have to save the soil. This is the quick and easy way to do it. Again, tools make the job. Hey, for more quick tips like these, subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can get there by going to thipro.com.